Beautiful church. Look at this. Little surprise for you guys. This is the Lego model of Notre-Dame-des-Sept-Douleurs. They are also currently hosting a Lego expo. There's a man who is an avid Lego builder, and this is essentially his private collection. He actually reproduced this beautiful church all out of Lego. The actual church was inaugurated in 1914. It was created in Lego, out of Lego just now, so 110 years old later, requiring close to 20,000 pieces. And here are the creators. So Sébastien Boutillette created the actual church, and then Marc Saint-André created the presbytery. This is actually the city of Montreal. So we have our clock tower that is near the old port and the old city of Montreal. The Tour des Canadiens, which is a condos near the Bell Center where the Habs play, hence the Canadiens Tower. We have La Tour Hydro-Québec over there. This is actually le Musée Pointe-à-Calière, which is our archaeological museum that is also in Old Montreal. And just look at this beautiful details here on the church. Absolutely breathtaking. Look at the ceilings. And here, the central part. Magnificent. Oh, and look at this. And in the back, I guess we have an org over there. So I was just talking with a very knowledgeable man here in the church. I think he might be a priest. And he was explaining to me, I ended up asking him about why the name Seven Sufferings, and he actually told me it's not sufferings in English, it's sorrows. And he showed me this, which actually explains. So basically it's based on the concept, I believe, a saint called Saint Louis de Montfort, so French saint, I believe. And he essentially took elements from the New Testament story as they relate to Mary, and 7 events in the story where Mary suffered. And so based on those 7 events, there's the 7 sorrows, or in French, les 7 douleurs. So that is why it is Notre-Dame-des-Sept-Douleurs.